Good morning, Atomian. Welcome to our Yul Marikina Aja Aja Center Catching Success Online. I am Julian Taviano, Diamond Master from our Yul Marikina Aja Aja Center, and I am your host for today. As we start here in Anatomy, it is our culture to begin and end every event by reciting our company motto. Ready position, please. Yep, company motto, go. Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Aja, aja, aja. Share, tag, interact, and win. Just follow these mechanics to win a prize. Number one, share this live seminar on your Facebook wall and tag 10 of your Facebook friends. And number two, comment your takeaways from our lectures to get a chance to win our promo for today. And number three, comment Aja, Aja, Aja in the beginning and ending of our seminar. Now, let's start our seminar by watching this short company profile of Atomy.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, achieved 2.2 trillion Korean won in global sales in 2002 and surpassed 15 million global members. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices. Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Atomy Hemohim surpassed 2 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. It has gotten international patents in 21 countries and is forging a unique new path for health functional food products. Absolute Skincare, which has become one of the best-selling cosmetics in the industry with sales of 100 billion Korean won every year since its launch. Absolute Skincare received King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office in 2021 for the first time in the cosmetics industry and was selected as world-class product for next generation selected by Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy in 2022. The Fame, another luxury cosmetic product reborn with upgraded ingredients and technology, is also loved by consumers as it reflects Atomy's product philosophy. Atomy practices customer-centered management in all its business activities, and such efforts were recognized by the acquisition of Customer-Centered Management Certification for 2 consecutive years, which is a unique accomplishment in the industry. Atomy's success system, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual ability. This is the driving force behind Atomy's distinctive growth. The next generation of online and offline distribution broadcasters, which presents Atomy's vision to members around the world regardless of time and space. Entertainment and media, which converges business and culture. Atomy provides the vision of a global success system, which transcends time and space by providing a variety of services. For our partner companies to pay the utmost attention to quality, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of accompanied growth. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are proud Atomy.
Now you know Atomy is not just an ordinary company. It cherishes what it has. We are sure that its members are all taken care of. Please continue to comment your takeaways on our live chat in order to get a chance to win our promo for today. Moving forward, we will be watching Chairman Mr. Park Han-gil lecture.
Atomy is a distribution company. The essence of distribution is providing good and low-priced products to consumers. We have the best quality products in the world. We source low-priced products to sell through Atomy Worldwide Sales Networks. The first important thing is quality. When it comes to selecting a product, Atomy selects ones that are truly absolute quality. And Atomy is about providing products at unbeatable, absolute prices. But maintaining these absolute prices takes a tremendous amount of effort. In order to do so, Atomy is revolutionizing its internal management system. When you meet Atomy, what you have to consider first is whether or not it would be profitable for you to use Atomy's products. That's the thing you have to look at first. By the principle of consumer profit, it's profitable for consumers to use Atomy products. So, getting commission from the business comes in second. Just switching to Atomy products itself is profitable. So, contractors' relatives, neighbors, or families should really switch to Atomy products, and then they can save $200 to $500 a month. In a way, it's a great way to share the economic gospel for being able to use better quality products. It's true that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, doing activities offline has become very difficult. To match the conditions on the ground, Atomy quickly switched its activities to online. But even after the COVID-19 pandemic comes to an end, we will continue to utilize the effectiveness of online activities. So, instead of just waiting for the COVID-19 crisis to end, please try your best to get used to online methods if you're not already familiar with them. Even after COVID-19 is over, we will continue to use online methods as useful tools. So, in the spirit of genius of the and, we choose both online and offline. Instead of just one of the two, we're going to use both methods. In fact, the speed of online activities is much faster than offline ones. In some ways, with offline activities, we increase membership according to the principle of addition. But online, we can increase our membership by the principle of multiplication. That's why it's able to scale infinitely at a very fast speed. So, I'm saying that it would be better for you to focus more on the efficiency of online methods. But we don't have to be discouraged from offline activities. There are many stores that have now gone out of business. There's an extremely heartbreaking situation where people have had to take money from their retirement savings to pay off their debts and ended up having to close their businesses. Those people are between a rock and a hard place. And what I think we should do is to reach out to those who are wandering about with the sense of purpose as angels of light towards those who are wandering about, lost and confused. Our business is one that makes people dream of making $100,000 a month. We are definitely in the distribution business, and we do sell products. But the essence of our business isn't just selling products. Why should we sell these products? In order to have confidence in this business, you must check the price and quality of the product. You have to be sure that you can use this product for the rest of your life. At this quality and at this price, you have to be confident in recommending them to anybody. At this quality and price, you can be sure that no matter who you share these products with, they will repurchase them and continue to use them for the rest of their lives. And that is why we put our products at the forefront. Though our business puts its products at the forefront, the essence of our business isn't simply to sell our products. Through these daily necessities, through absolute quality, absolute price products, you're sharing your own success with other people. With the same earnest desire through which you achieved success, you have to share this message of success to your relatives, to those around you, and to those who are in need. You have to share this message of success. You are selling success. I've been saying this to our leaders since the early days of Atomy. Atomy sells absolute quality, absolute price products, but Atomy's most representative product is our successful members. And I've been saying that from the very start. Share your success with others. Ladies and gentlemen, you must write a life scenario. Because when it comes to success, dreaming of success comes first. One of the biggest reasons why so many people can't succeed is because they don't think about succeeding. Of course, it's not easy to be determined to succeed. It's not easy to resolve to be rich. But when it comes to courage, it doesn't mean having no fear, but confronting it. If you want to be a successful person in life, you must have courage. Only the people here can be successful. What you should really fear is poverty. What's truly fearful is spending a miserable old age. If you're afraid of spending a miserable old age and afraid of poverty, you have to have courage and think about becoming rich. And this message that you're going to be rich with others must be shared with people around you. with forcefulness and courage. There are many people who've lost hope. When there is no hope, the only hope is to have hope. If there are people here today in despair, have hope and dream about becoming successful. We don't believe in something because it's 100% possible. When you're in a cave of despair, there's nothing but darkness all around. But if there's a tiny light at the entrance of the cave, you have to go toward it and come out of the cave. Of course, even if you trip on a rock and fall down, and your knee is bleeding all over the place, you must still go toward hope, one step at a time. Today, I hope that this Success Academy is a place where you will discover hope and where you'll take your first step in your journey towards it.
Thank you, Chairman Mr. Park Han-gil, for that lecture. And now, let's watch the Atomy Vision lecture of Sharon Rose Master Ma'am Lizelle Valle.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharon Rose Master Lizelle S. Valle from Ariul Marikina, Adja Center. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyong mga palakpak. Talaga namang nakaka-inspire ang mag-share sa harap dahil sa inyong mga palakpak. Kaya naman po, actually itong isi-share ko po sa inyo ngayon ay hindi na po bago sa inyo. Maaring napakinggan nyo na po ito. Pero nakita ko kanina may mga new attendees dito sa ating pick-up center and also to Baguio and Cebu. Pakitaas nga ulit po yung inyong mga kamay. Ayan. So marami rin po ano. And then, sino naman dito yung mga regular na uma-attend, yung walang absent, na nag-i-invest ng kanilang time para makinig sa mga seminar? Ayan. Meron po kayong gagawin ngayong araw na ito. Yung mga bago, syempre makikinig po talaga sila. Yung mga alam na po yung sasabihin ko ngayon, ano pong gagawin ninyo? Magsa-cellphone? Hindi, di ba? So ang gagawin nyo po ay magkunwaring hindi nyo pa alam. Kailangan magano kayo, mag-react kayo para pagtingin ng katabi mo, uy, maano siya, di ba? So dapat all ears, all eyes po sa akin ngayon, kahit na napakinggan nyo na po ito. So I would like to share with you, what is atomy? Madalas tinatanong tayo, atomy, hindi siya familiar. Tapos sinasabi nila sa atin, atom. Di ba yung science yan? Ganon sila. So dapat alam din po nating i-explain sa kanila kung ano yung atomy. So atomy or atom plus yung Chinese character niya is a Korean company that distributes the supplement Hemohim. Flagship po kasi natin yung Hemohim. Sinasabi nga ng iba, kung walang Hemohim, walang atomy. Ito po yung pinakakilala po sa atin. And its own brand of premium cosmetics and personal care products made from 100% natural herbal ingredients. So, sabihin natin na natural, 100% natural herbal ingredients po lahat ng produkto ni Atomy. Yung Hemohim, cosmetics, and personal care, lahat na po yan. And yung Chinese character po niya, the Chinese character, Y, yung parang ganun at the end of the word is red as me. And the meaning of it is beauty. Kaya ang ibig sabihin ng Atomy is beauty within me. Ang ganda, di ba? Yun po yung meaning ng Atomy. And when talking about atoms, he means the relationship with KERI, which is the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, the creators of our stellar product, Hemohim. So later on, papag-aralan din ninyo sa mga susunod yung about sa KERI and yung Hemohim na flagship po natin. Now, our President, Mr. Park Han-gil, siya po yung ating founder. Hindi na po siya yung CEO. Meron na po tayong sariling CEO, yung kaninang CEO, di ba? Siya po yung founder. And sabi po niya, Atomy is a company that cherishes the spirit. Kaya naman po yung ating motto, di ba? Cherish the spirit. So ang sabi niya, people should be regarded with the highest value. Atomy adheres to its absolute quality and absolute price policy, and its management objective is customer success. Nandyan po siya. The reason for this is because we are the center of God's creation. And Atomy believes the people are the goal, not a means to an end. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Ang tao daw ang goal at hindi means to an end. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-register tayo ng mga member, hindi natin i-re-register sila para pagkakitaan, kundi sila yung goal natin para magtagumpay. I-goal natin sila na magtagumpay para in return, automatic din po yung ating tagumpay. Yun po yung ibig sabihin niya. Thus, we will continue to be a company that loves people and one that channels our efforts into helping our members succeed. As a result, Atomy will be a company that grows and matures together with our society. Yan po yung sinabi ng ating President Park Han-gil. Kaya naman nandito tayo sa magandang company. Okay, so ano naman po yung mga nasa likod ng ating mga produkto? So nabanggit ko po kanina, meron tayong tinatawag na Kayri, di ba po? And then meron po tayong Colmar. So ano po yung dalawa? Itong Kayri po, sila po yung nasa likod ng research and development. Sila po yung gumagawa ng mga technology ng produkto. At sino naman po yung tagagawa? Yun naman po ang tagagawa ay ang Colmar B&H. Marami na pong Colmar sa iba't ibang bansa. Pero yung Colmar meron din po tayong Colmar Korea na karamihan sa mga produkto ng Atomy dito po ginagawa. So mamaya po magkakaroon din po tayo ng comparison ng Colmar manufactured product at sa ating Atomy products. And then, ang role po dito ni Atomy, sila po yung distributor. Sila na rin po yung online shopping mall and sila yung broadcasting station. So dalawa lang yan. Bale tatlo kabilang yung Kayri. So ito po yung tatlong company na nag-connive para mabuo yung magagandang produkto, yung absolute quality, absolute price ng ating Atomy company. And what about marketing plan? Hindi ko na kailangan pang i-discuss ito kasi na-discuss na po kanina ng ating napakagaling na speaker, di ba? So, isa siyang easy access business. Bakit po? Wala siyang registration fee or entry fee. Di ba? Madali lang nating ma-access kung wala kang puhunan, monetary na kapital. So, kailangan mo lang sumali dito sa Atomy dahil ito ay isang napakalaking business at libre pa ang monetary capital. Hindi ko sinasabing walang capital, hindi ko sinasabing zero capital dahil may capital kayo. Ano yon? Yung oras nyo, isa yan sa kapital, yung effort nyo at yung pamasahe nyo para pumunta at mag-attend ng mga seminar, yan ay mga kapital nyo. Sabi nga ni Sir Gray kanina na compute niya, 150,000 pesos within 3 years lang ang magiging kapital mo, aside from your effort and time. Pero pwede kang kumita ng 60,000 pesos in a day after 3 years or more than kahit kung kailan nyo gustong ma-achieve yung ino-offer ni Atomy sa atin. Aside from that, kaya siya easy access business, it's because wala siyang maintenance fee. And balance din po yung kanyang distribution dahil meron siyang compensation limit. So kung nakita nyo kanina, ang diniscuss lang ni Sir, 60,000 per day. 60,000 per day. Ibig sabihin, hanggang doon lang yung ibibigay ni Atomy bawat member. So kung gusto mong kumita ng 100,000 per day na general commission or yung pay ring na tinatawag, hindi ka para sa Atomy. Maghanap ka ng magbibigay sa'yo ng 100,000 pesos per day. Dahil hanggang 60,000 pesos per day lang ang general commission. Pero aside ito sa inyong mga bonus at yung kakaskasin yung mga debit card. So malaki-laki pa rin. Nakukulangan pa ba kayo yung kayang ibigay ng Atomy? Hindi na, malaki na po yan. Para sa akin. Okay. And then, meron tayong tinatawag na mastage strategy na discuss na din po kanina ng ating product introduction about this, di ba? So, sabi niya, meron tayong absolute quality and absolute price. Hindi lang sa isang produkto, hindi lang sa isang klase ng produkto. Halimbawa, hindi lang Hemohim, but it penetrates this mastage strategy, the whole or the entire brand. Lahat po yan, absolute quality, absolute price. Hindi lang pili. Kaya naman po, kung napapansin nyo, meron siyang addicting na something, pag na-try mo yung isa, napakaganda ng resulta. Kaya gusto mo na namang itry yung isa. Na-try mo yung isa, napakaganda talaga. Ngayon, gusto mo na naman siyang itry. Pero wala siyang addictive, kundi addicting lang siya dahil maa-addict ka sa resulta na nakikita mo sa iyong sarili. Kasi ganun din ako. Sinong nakaka-relate? Ganun ako nun eh. Gusto ko bilhin lahat, gusto ko budgetan lahat, gusto ko gamitin lahat ng nandun. At sa ngayon po, ay nagamit ko na po lahat ng nandun sa ating Atomy website, including yung nandun sa Korean website po natin. Okay, so hindi lang po iisa rin yung line of products natin. It can cater to your daily necessity product. So sabi nga kanina ng ating President Park Han-gil, ano ba yung network marketing? Ito po yung pagdidistribute ng magandang quality ng produkto na may mababang presyo na ginagamit araw-araw. So, ito po yung perfect na network marketing, di ba? Kasi nagdi-distribute siya ng daily necessities like health, personal care, home, beauty, food, fashion, and so on and so forth. Marami po. Sabi ko nga lagi, name it and we have in Atomy. And one of the lecture po ng ating President Park Han-gil, sinabi niya noon, ang hindi lang daw po natin ibebenta dito sa Atomy, sigarilyo, drugs at yung kabaong. Yun lang daw po yung hindi ibebenta. Pero lahat ibebenta ni Atomy. At ngayon po ay binebenta na nga po siya sa Adja Mall. Meron po siyang isa pang mall na ginawa na connected din po siya sa Atomy, pero sa Pilipinas wala pa po siya. And soon, kapag lumaki po yung sales natin sa Atomy Mall, magkakaroon din po tayo niyan. Okay, and because of this mastage strategy, ang ating flagship product na Hemuhim ay first in sales of a single item in the same industry for 6 consecutive years na siya. Ano ba yung industry natin? Ang industry natin is direct selling and network marketing. At itong Hemuhim ay kauna-unahang pinakamataas na sales sa iisang industry for 6 consecutive years. Ganon din po yung ating Absolute Skincare. Nung na-launch po, automatic na po siyang naging third in sales in the cosmetic sector in the same industry. Imagine nyo po yung mga award-winning at bestseller po ang mga pinoproduce ni Atomy na mga produkto. At malalaman nyo po yan na talagang ganun pala, sasabihin mo, kaya pala ganun, kaya pala naging bestsellers siya kasi napakaganda po talaga niya. Malalaman nyo yan kung kayo ay gumagamit na ng regular. Okay, so eto rin po yung story ng Hemuhim, ano po? At para sa ating mga kaibigang Muslim, ang Hemuhim po ay pwede na rin pong matake nila dahil meron na rin siyang halal certificate. At ang kanyang story po, simula sa 30 na sachet, then naging 48, then naging 53, then naging, ilan na ngayon? 60 sachet. Pero po, yung kanyang presyo ay parehas lang. 43 pa rin. Simula nung nagsimula hanggang ngayon ay ganun pa rin po yung kanyang presyo. Saan po ba kayo nakakakita ng hindi nagtaasan ngayon? Di ba yung marami nang nagtaasang mga produkto ngayon, pero dito sa Atomy, hanggat kaya na isustain yung dating presyo ay gagawin talaga niya. Kung magtaas man siya ng presyo, tataas din po yung point value niya para matulungan or makater yung mga nagbi-business po dito sa Atomy. Now, also our absolute quality product na yung ating Absolute Cell Skincare is the first triple crown in the beauty cosmetics industry. So, this skincare won the Korean Patent and Trademark Office's King Sejong Award for the first time in the cosmetic industry, along with the Korean Patent and Trademark Awards IR52 Jang Yongshil Award and ENEP certification. So ano po ba itong tinatawag natin na King Sejong Award? So, pinakauna po na nanalo sa cosmetic industry to. Itong Sejong Award na ito, hindi lang po cosmetic industry, but all the company or iba't ibang industry, naglalaban-laban po yan sa Korea. Ano yung tinitignan nila? Yung may pinakamagandang technology na ginamit sa isang produkto. So, meaning to say, mga electronics, iba't ibang mga appliances, mga iba't ibang industry sa Korea ay naglalaban-laban. Ngayon po, yung technology na ginamit sa ating skincare, Absolute Skincare Active, yun po yung nanalo at pinakaunang nanalo sa cosmetic industry. Di ba nakaka-proud siya? Ang daming kinalaban. Kaya naman po yung mga mayayaman na ngayon sa Korea, nagtataka sila, ano ba yung Atomy na yan? Ano ba yung cosmetics na yan na tinalo yung ibang technology ng mga magagandang produkto din dito sa Korea? Ngayon, ano na sila, curious na sila kung ano ba itong Atomy Absolute Cell Active na ito. Okay, and of course, yung ating product revolution, meron din po tayo and stories dito sa ating The Fame. Dati po kasi skincare system po siya. And then ito po nakikita niya sa picture hanggang sa nag-evolve at nagkaroon ng revolution. And then, ito na po yung tinatawag natin na The Fame. And yung kanyang presyo ay parehas pa rin po. So, hindi po siya nagbabago yung kanyang presyo. Minsan pa nga, pagka kumikita yung ating Atomy company, tinataasan nila yung ML ng produkto natin or yung laman ng ating produkto. Ganun po kaganda yung ating Atomy company. Okay, and would you know that our toothbrush, Atomy toothbrush, na nakakasold siya ng 1 in every second. So pagsalita ko lang na ganun, may bumibili na ng isang toothbrush. Annual sales of over 36 million pieces. Pieces siya, hindi per box, yung pieces. So every second, isang piraso yung nabebenta sa ating toothbrush. Imagine nyo dyan kung gaano siya kaganda, ganun siya ka-saleable. And the good thing about Atomy, meron din po siyang GSGS strategy. So ito yung tinatawag nating global sourcing, global sales. Ano po ba ito para sa mga bago? Ano po? Ito po yung tinitignan nila kung ano yung napakagandang produkto sa ating country. Sa isang country kung saan naroon na si Atomy at yung produktong yon pag makapasa po sa panlasa ng ating research and development dito sa Atomy ay i-distribute po ni Atomy sa iba't ibang bansa kung saan meron din si Atomy. At ang GSGS po natin dito sa Pilipinas, made in the Philippines ay yan, Atomy Coconut Sugar. So dinidistribute na ngayon ni Atomy sa Taiwan. Alam niyo po ba, laging sold out daw sa Taiwan and Singapore and in Japan. And then sa mga susunod na mga panahon pa or mga buwan at taon ay talaga namang i-distribute na rin siya sa iba't ibang bansa pa. Imagine niyo yon. Napaka-proud tayo, di ba? Nakakatulong ang iba't ibang bansa sa ating ekonomiya dahil sa ating mga GSGS product. And hopefully, dito sa Pilipinas, magkaroon pa po tayo ng maraming GSGS product para makatulong po. Kaya naman dito sa Pilipinas, kailangan nating tangkilikin ang ating Atomy Organic Coconut Sugar dahil ito po yung ating GSGS. Okay, and eto na po yung kanyang pag-grow. So in 2022, Atomy sales reached 2.2 trillion Korean won, approximately 1.84 billion USD. And as of December 2022, wala pa pong 1 year, kaya magkakaroon po ulit ng update after 1 year. It had 15 million registered members, but as of now, nakakalahati na tayo ng taon, 16 million registered member na siya. Imagine nyo yung gaano kalaki. Gaano kadami na po yung member natin all around the world. Diba? So ang laki na po ng company natin. And kung nakikita nyo po, yung kulay natin is yung tinatawag na Pantone and then white. Parang kulay blue and kulay white. Kasi may meaning po ito. So kung nakikita nyo yung kanyang code, pag tinype nyo yan, makikita nyo yung combination niya para siyang maging Pantone ang kulay niya. So Atomy Blue represents Atomy's people-centered corporate culture and hope for the future as it aims for customer success. So yun pala yung hope for the future, yung nag-extend sa kulay blue na yan. And our Atomy White represents a clean image of Atomy products based on a medical concept. Also represents purity and honesty and embodies the transparent and honest spirit of Atomy. Napaka-clear, di ba, ng pagkakadiscuss, pati kulay, may meaning po dito sa ating company. Okay, and then ito rin po, noong 2021, overseas sales exceeded domestic sales. Ito po yung nung panahon ng pandemic, yung benta po, yung sales sa overseas ay mas tinaasan niya na yung domestic sale. Ibig sabihin, mas nataasan niya na yung sales sa Korea. So global sales exceeded 2 trillion won or $300 million export Tower Award. Atomy becomes the only company in the industry that has been certified consecutively for CCM, Consumer-Centered Management. Atomy won the grand prize of Good Company to Work in Korea. Lahat po yan ay na-achieve ni Atomy noong 2021. Gusto ko lang pong i-discuss more on the CCM part. Ano ba tong Consumer-Centered Management? Itong Consumer-Centered Management po ay ito po yung mga nagbibigay ng certificate sa isang company na trusted ng mga tao. Kung may CCM, Consumer-Centered Management, na tatak ang isang produkto, ibig sabihin, this tatak means trusted by consumer. Kaya tignan niyo po kung halimbawa wala tayo sa Atomy, pag may CCM, ay maganda to, magandang produkto. Dahil napakahirap po nitong kunin. Pwedeng makukuha ng isang company ngayong taon na ito, pero sa susunod na years, hindi niya na makukuha. Ganun po yan. Pero dito sa Atomy, consecutive every year since its launch na nakukuha niya yung CCM or Consumer-Centered Management na certificate. Kaya pinapalakpakan po natin yan. And isa pa yan yung Good Company to Work in Korea. So, yan po, napakaganda kasi na company ito at mahirap pong pumasok doon sa Atomy Korea at isa siya rin po sa Good Company to Work. At hindi lang yon, pati yung ating president nakatanggap din po siya na isa siya sa pinakamagandang CEO sa Asia. Okay, so here in 2022, last year lang po yan, ranked among top 10 global direct selling company. Imagine niyo, global siya. Ilang years na ba ang Atomy? More than 10 years pa lang ang Atomy. Pero kabilang na siya sa top 10. Hindi lang hindi lang sa local, hindi lang sa Korea, but top 10 global direct selling companies. Palakpak po tayo dyan. And because of this award, it becomes the first company in Korean network marketing industry where it received the Excellent Award for Consumer-Centered Management, ranked second in GPTW Best Workplaces in Asia, and branches opened in Brazil. On yung 22, yung Brazil, Mongolia, and Uzbekistan po yung nagbukas noong 2022. And ngayong 2023, ano po yung nagbukas? Nagbukas na yung Europe, na kung saan mas marami pa pong makikater yung Europe natin dahil ang dami pong sakop yung Europe na country po. Okay, so established in 2009 or 2009, Atomy is a global network marketing company with direct selling operations in 28 regions worldwide as of 2023. So 28 regions na tayo, including Korea. And the recently opened Europe, Turkey, Uzbekistan, Mongolia, Kyrgyzstan, and Kazakhstan. So total of 26 overseas regions, and ngayon, 16 million member na. Ngayong kalahati pa lang ng 2023. So nung end of 2022, 15 million. Ngayong nadagdagan ng 1 million noong kalahati ng 2023. So we are expecting more members pagdating ng end of 2023. And even COVID-19 did not stop Atomy's overseas expansion. So nakikita nyo naman po na kailan ba yung COVID? 2020 until 2022, di ba? So nakikita nyo nagbukas pa rin. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. I-screenshot nyo na lang or picturean nyo na lang. Kung may kakilala kayo sa mga bansang yan, maganda pong offeran natin ng Atomy dahil meron na silang branches or open na po yung kanilang warehouse, open na po yung kanilang website at pwede na pong magka-commission yung mga nandito sa bansang ito. Okay, targetin na natin yung mga naka-open kasi pwede na silang kumita. And na-discuss na rin po ito kanina ni Sir Gray, ano? So, saan kayo makakita ng company na sa amin ang 30%, sabi ng company, sa inyo ang 70%, mga members, sabi nila. Di ba? Kaninong company? Usually, ang company, amin ang 70%, paghatian nyo ang 30%. Di ba? Yun yung usually sinasabi nila. But here in Atomy, iilan lang po yung company na 30% sa kanila, 70% ang binabalik sa mga consumer. At isa na po yun, ang Atomy. Napakaganda or sobrang ganda? Ayan. Okay. And yan po, ayan, na-explain na rin po kanina, pero dadagdagan ko lang po yung well-balanced and right choose compensation plan po tayo. Na-discuss ko na bakit is yung business. Kasi walang joining fee. And then, balanced distribution kasi meron siyang ceiling limit income, which is, ilan lang? 60,000 pesos per day except yung bonus mo. And then, ito yung maganda, Global One Server, international networking business po siya. Ang maganda pa dito, iisa lang yung ID na kakailanganin natin. Kaya madalas naming sinasabi, yung ID mo, i-memorize mo. Kasi daig mo pa yung tumama ng loto after 10 years kung ikaw ay maging Imperial Master na. Di ba? So para ka lang nag-ano dyan, ano tawag nito? Para ka lang nagde-deposit. So, kung ang target mong maging Imperial Master after 10 years, so bale, nagde-deposit ka ng divided by 50 million divided by 10 years, magkano yon? 5 million per year. So ngayon, kung nakadalawang taon ka na sa Atomy, meron ka ng invisible 10 million sa iyong bangko, na after 10 years, makukuha mo ng cash. Nagets nyo po? Kung 3 years na kayo, meron na kayong 15 million na invisible sa bangko na makukuha nyo after 10 years. Kung tratrabahuin nyo. Ibibigay po yan ni Atomy. Yun po yun. And aside from that, yung ID nyo na yan, pwede nyong magamit saan mang bansa basta nandoon si Atomy. Katulad po ng mga Pilipino, di ba, meron dun sa USA, mga Pilipino na mga Star Master na rin nasa USA. Pero pag pumunta sila sa Pilipinas, yun pa rin yung ginagamit po nila, di ba? So, ngayon, nabanggit na rin po kanina, Atomy Success System. So, para magtagumpay ka dito sa Atomy, kailangan mong pumasok sa Success System. Ano po ba yon? Libre rin po ang Success System natin. Ito po yung Success Academy, Center Meeting, Online Seminar, Global Seminar, One-Day Seminar. Ang tawag po sa kinikita dito sa Atomy ay Passive Income or System Income. Ngayon po, paano ka makakakuha ng system income kung ikaw ay hindi pasok sa success system? Di ba? Dapat pasok ka sa success system para makakuha ka ng system income success system. Yun po yun. Okay, and I would like also to share with you that Atomy continue to innovate its system for the success of all its member. Sino na po dito yung naka-visit sa bagong-bagong website natin sa Korea? Iilan pa lang. So, itry nyo po mamaya na i-check yung website ng Korea at gawin nyo pong English kasi ang dami niya ng feature. At alam nyo ba na nag-invest ang Atomy Korea ng magkano? 400 million pesos para lang iayos itong system natin na to. Tapos hindi nyo ginagamit? 400 million po yung kanyang ininvest. Ano ba yung makikita mo dito? Marami kang makikita. Makikita mo kung meron ka ng downline na nag-semi-sales, kung magkano yung kita mo araw-araw, kung 2.5 na ba yung araw-araw mo, kung yung overseas sales mo, magkano sa left, magkano sa right, yung domestic sales mo, magkano sa left, magkano sa right, and makikita mo kung ilan na yung member mo na nag-sales, ilang beses ka nang nag-Diamond Master, ilang beses ka nang nag-Master, at ito yung pinakagusto ko. Makikita mo kung ilan ang member mo all around the world. Kung kulay blue yan, Pilipinas yan. Nakikita nyo yung pie na yan? Kulay blue, makikita mo kung ilang percentage member mo sa Pilipinas, sa Australia, sa Canada, sa USA. Nakakatuwa. Oh, Magugulat ka, global big business nga ang Atomy kasi ang dami mong makikitang bansa. Iba't ibang bansa, depende sa kulay. I-browse nyo po mamaya yung ating Atomy Korea website. I-change nyo po sa English para mas maintindihan nyo. And makikita nyo rin kung sino yung mga bagong nag-member, sino na yung mga hindi bumibili ng 1 year at 4 termination na. I-utilize nyo kasi 400 million pesos po yung ininvest ng Atomy Korea just for this. Okay, now, nakita na po natin kung gaano kaganda, di ba? Ngayon po, katulad po ng ginawa ng ating speaker kaninang product intro, bibigay din po ako sa inyo kung bakit tatawagin kayong wise consumer kapag pinili nyo ang Atomy. So usually, what are the 2 key factors that makes us switch brand? Ano usually yung magpapabago ng brand mo? Quality and price. So meron naman yung quality napakataas din ng price. Bibili ka? Hindi, di ba? Kung ang quality mababa yung price, bibili ka? Hindi. Kailangan mataas ang quality, mababa ang price para tayo ay matawag na wise consumer. Ngayon, bibigyan ko po kayo ng tips na talagang magpapalit na kayo sa Atomy kapag makita nyo to. Siyempre, ang Atomy, wag naman nating i-compare doon sa kalsada lang na nabibili. Hindi naman ganun ang Atomy. Kailangan po, i-compare natin naman sa medyo popular brand and yung Colmar manufactured na brand. Which is, yung popular brands is yung letter A and M. Ay, bakit ko pa inano? And then, Colmar manufactured ay yung Estee Lauder and Clinique. Yan po yung mga Colmar manufactured. Napakagaganda rin ng produktong yan. Dahil ang gumawa ay Colmar. Okay, so unang-una, facial cleanser. Sino na gumagamit ng Atomy facial cleanser dito? Titingnan natin kung talagang absolute price or absolute quality ang ating facial cleanser. Okay, ito po yung kanila. Okay, yung facial cleanser ng alam nyo na naka-blurred kasi hindi nyo makikita. Okay, eto po yung mga presyo nila. Ang tawag niya ay EL Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser. Actually po, ito ay price noon online before pandemic pa. Wala pang inflation rate. So tumaas na sila kasi may inflation rate na. Noon pa to, yung presyong ito. So 150 ml lang siya at pumapatak na 2,537.69 sa online shopping. Mas mahal pa yan kapag pumunta ka sa store kasi may store sila. Then yung letter C naman, ang tawag, C Liquid Facial Soap, 150 ml din, pumapatak na 1,275.90. Mas malaki pala dito. And yung Atomy, magkano po yan? Ang pangalan, Atomy Evening Care Foam Cleanser, 150 ml din. Pare-pareho silang 150 ml. Ang direct selling price niya, pag binenta nyo sa non-member, 470. Ang member price niya ay 390 kung member ka. Ngayon, titignan nyo, yung price per ml ng EL ay 16.91 pesos. And yung C ay 8.50 pesos. So, mas mura siya kumpara sa EL. So, ngayon yung Atomy, magkano? 2.60 pesos per ml lang. So, absolute quality, absolute price? Yes! Napakaganda niyan. Sino nang nakagamit? Yan. Okay, now move tayo sa ating, yun yung popular brands. Alam ko, gamit nyo to. Alam ko yan. Gamit ko rin yan nung wala pa ako sa Atomy. Okay, una, ito po yung yan, nakita nyo na, no? Time-Wise Repair Volume Foaming Cleanser. 133 ml lang siya. At ang price niya, 1,772.89. And then, yung letter A, di ba meron tayong letter A? Siyempre po may level yan. Meron yung mas mataas, mas mababa. Yung letter A, kunin natin yung pinakamataas na line nila. At ang pangalan ay A New 360 Fairness Illuminating Cleanser. 125 grams lang po siya. 507, aba mura. Mas mura ng konti. 507.09. Pero hindi siya, hindi ko alam kung organic or hindi. Okay? Ngayon, titignan po natin yung price per ml, 13.33 ml sa M tsaka teng-teng. And then A is 4.05 pesos per ml. Sa Atomy is 2.6 Mas mahal, mas mura. Mura pa rin, di ba? So kung ang gamit nyo pa rin ngayon ay ganyan, kailangan mag-change na kayo sa Atomy Evening Care Foam Cleanser. Now, eto naman, anti-wrinkle cream. Ang liliit ng kanila, tas dito lang nilalagyan. Paano mababanat yung iyong eye wrinkle kung ganun ka lang maglagay? Dapat ganun maglagay para mabanat po talaga. Okay, so sa ano muna? Sa mga Colmar manufactured muna tayo. Okay, Advanced Time Zone Age Reversing Line Wrinkle Cream. 15 ml pero napakaganda ng bottle. Parang yung bottle na lang yung binili mo kasi ang ganda niya. Okay, 4,000 ang retail price niya, 4,616.21 and yung dealer's price niya is mas kalahati, 2,765. And ito naman yung isa is Repair Laser Focus Wrinkle Correcting Eye Cream, 15 ml din. Tapos 4,670 and then 3,133 dealer's price. Doon tayo sa Absolute. Merong The Fame. Pero syempre ile-level natin sa Absolute. Kasi nakakahiya naman yung The Fame natin. Sobrang ganda, sobrang baba ng price. Dito naman tayo sa mataas-taas. Okay, Atomy Absolute Cell Active Eye Complex, 40 ml. 2,520, 2,100 sa members price. Ngayon, titingnan natin per ml. Grabe, bawat pahid mo, kaya konti na lang ilalagay mo kasi 184.40 PHP or pesos per ml. Sa C, 208, mas mahal. Tapos po sa Atomy, magkano lang? 52.50 per ml. Kaya pwede na, hindi lang sa mata, dito sa leeg, sa siko, sa singit, at sa puwet, kung meron kayong wrinkle dyan. Absolute quality, absolute price? Yeah. Ang hina, absolute quality, absolute price? Okay, so doon tayo sa sikat na brand, popular brand, dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, bibilisan ko na. Kasi ano na lang. Okay, so 15 ml lang sa kanila. Imagine yung atin, 40 ml. So yan po, 1,597.48. 708 naman sa kabila, mas mura ng konti. Siyempre, doon pa rin tayo sa high level nila. Atomy Absolute Cell Active Eye Complex tayo. Okay, per ml, 106 pesos per ml. Yung isa, and then 47.21. Dito, medyo talo tayo sa price. Dito sa popular brand na to kasi 47. Tapos sa atin 52 per ml. Pero pipiliin pa rin natin yung organic at saka yung may points. Kasi wala naman silang points, di ba? Absolute quality, absolute price? Yes. Okay, so BB cream kasi sikat sa atin. Okay, kahit medyo mag-extend ako ng mga 2 minutes ha. Okay, BB cream po natin sa manufactured po na magagandang produkto. Hindi na absolute BB cream pa ang yung mababang kalidad. Hindi mababang kalidad. Yung mababang herbal line or ordinary line na lang natin. Okay? Kahit pa sa absolute natin na BB cream siya, wala pa kasi sa Pilipinas, kaya yan muna ang kinompare ko, mas mababa pa rin sa atin. Okay, tingnan nyo po, yan, per ml, 72.15 sa kanila, yung sunod, 41.22, sa atin magkano? 10.50 per ml, hindi naman ml agad yung ilalagay mo, di ba, konti-konti lang, napaka-concentrated yung BB cream natin, minsan nga na-expire na lang kasi sa sobrang tipid. Pero gamitin po natin, pang-demo na lang natin para hindi ma-expire. Absolute quality, absolute price? Yes. Okay, ba't naulit? Hindi po anti-wrinkle cream yan po yung BB cream sa mga sikat na brand or popular brand. Tingnan po natin ito, yung kanila. So per ml sa mura, 24.42 lang per ml. Tapos yung isa, 22.47. Pero wala nang tatalo pa sa Atomy kasi 10.50 per ml lang yung ating BB cream. Magpapalit na ba kayo? Okay, now that I presented the vision of how great, huge, and stable Atomy company is, what's your plan? Do you have a plan to generate 4 million pesos per month? Kasi yun yung kayang i-offer ni Atomy in the next 10 years. Ang sagot? Yes! Yes kayo. Sa susunod, wala na yung mukha nyo dito sa seminar. Sabi nga kanina, success system. Success income. System income. Dapat dito ka sa So that's it for today. I hope nakakuha po kayo ng something that will motivate you to join or to do more our Atomy business. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. God bless po.
Thank you, Sharon Rose Master, Ms. Lazal Valle, for that very inspiring lecture. Before we end, please be reminded of this announcement. Morning meeting from Monday to Wednesday at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and Catching Success Online every Tuesday at 2 p.m. live via YouTube channel of Atomy Ariul Marikina Aja Aja Center. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Atomy Ariul Marikina Aja Aja Center and click the notification bell. As we end, let us remind ourselves of the principle we uphold here in Atomy by reciting our company motto. Ready, position, please. Yup. Company motto, go. Cherish the spirit. Create the vision. Follow the faith. Serve in humility. Aja, Aja, Aja.